Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. Basically, there is a question that we are going to solve, and this is the log question in which we have the log of x plus 2 power 3. So first of all, we are going to shift. We have shifted that power of the log first, because this will be easy to take its derivative. So after that, now we are going to take the derivative of that function, and we are going to apply the derivative on both sides. So now we have applied the derivative on both sides, and after applying the derivative on both sides, we know that what is the property of the log, that log the derivative of the ln of x is 1 over x. So then so the derivative of the log x plus 3 will be 1 over x plus 3, and then we are going to take the derivative of the angle of log, which is x plus 3, which is x plus 3. So now we know that the derivative of the x plus 3 is 1, because so the answer will be, you know that the answer will be 3 into 1 over x plus 3 into 1, and after solving this we know that the answer will be 3 over x plus 3. So now my son, let's check the answer on your book, that it is correct or not. I think it is absolutely right answer, so you can check it and tell me after checking. Now after that you can check it, my son, and then tell me that the answer is exact or not. And please give me feedback about that question also, and follow me for more videos on my TikTok account. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.